Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Premiere Pro project for broadcast safe loudness. To ensure your Premiere Pro project meets broadcast safe loudness standards, follow these steps. Open your Premiere Pro project. Navigate to the audio workspace. Select the audio track you wish to analyze. Go to the Essential Sound panel. If it's not visible, access it through the window menu. In the Essential Sound panel, click on the dialog label. This categorizes your audio track for processing. Now, look for the loudness meters. You can find them in the audio clip mixer or as a separate panel. Play the timeline to analyze the loudness levels. Observe the integrated loudness measurement. It should typically fall between -23 LUFS and -16 LUFS for broadcast standards. If your loudness is too high or too low, adjustments are necessary. To adjust the loudness, select the audio clip in the timeline. Go to the Effect Controls panel. Here, locate the volume control for your audio clip. You can either raise or lower the audio levels as needed. Alternatively, use the Loudness Radar effect for a more detailed analysis. Drag and drop the Loudness Radar effect onto your audio clip. Open the Loudness Radar panel to see a visual representation of loudness levels. Ensure your audio peaks do not exceed -1 dBTP. If adjustments are necessary, use the audio levels in the Effect Controls panel. Repeat the loudness checks after each adjustment. When satisfied, export your project. Go to File and select Export, then Media. In the export settings, choose an appropriate format for broadcast. Finalize your export settings and start the export process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.